Everybody was waiting. Those kids were fast as lightning, and things was a little bit frightening, but it brought the expert timing. There was Funky Chinaman from Funky Chinatown. They were chopping them up, they were chopping them down. It's an ancient Chinese art, and everybody knew their part. From a painting to a step, and a kick is on the hip, everybody was going.